Which of the following describe the behavior of a perfectly elastic material? Option C. It fractures directly upon reaching ultimate strength without yielding. In the following curve, in the follow curve equation, dash what does N represent? Option C. Strain hardening exponent. Why does the stress strain curve for a compression test rise more quickly in the plastic region compared to a tensile test in the same material? Option C. Compression result in an increase in the cross sectional area. What is the primary cause of Brilling effect observed during the compression test? Option D. Fraction between the specimen ends and the load planets. A steel specimen has a Brillouin hardness of 200. What is its approximate ultimate tensile strength? Option A 690 megapascal. Which hardening test use a pyramid-shaped diamond indenter with a length to width ratio of approximately 7:1? Option B Knob hardness test. How is true strain related to engineering strain? Option B the point at which a material transitions from linear elastic behavior to non-linear plastic behavior is often measured using a option D 0.2% offset method. In if the engineering stress is 300 megapascal and engineering strain is zero point 0.1, what is the true stress? Option A 330 megapascal. Which material behavior is most likely to occur during hot working high temperature where the material recrystallizes during deformation? Option A elastic and perfectly plastic. The ratio between the change in length and original gauge length is defined as option C engineering strength. What is the relation between shear stress strength and tensile strength? Based on data approximation. Option D which hardening hardness test involve both a minor load 10 kg and the major load 150 kg. Option A Rockwell hardness test. In the context of shear property, what does G represent in the formula? Option A shear modulus. Which of the following describe the necking phenomena in a tensile test? Option A localized reduction in cross sectional area occurring after the tensile strength is reached. If the material has an original area of 100 mm square and a fracture area of 40 mm square, which is what is the percentage area reduction? Option C 60%. Which curve is generally more important for manufacturing processes where significant shape change occur? Option A true stress strain curve. Hooke's law is valid in which region of the shear strain diagram? Option A. Elastic region. What is the unit of stress typically used in this mechanical property calculation? Option A. Megapascal. Shear strain is defined as the ratio between option D. Deflection and the orthogonal distance over which it occurs. Which hardness test calculate a value HV using the formula 1.854 into F upon D square. Option C. Weichert. The hardening region of the stress strain curves occur option D between the yield point and the true ultimate tensile strength. Which operation is not typically a shearing operation? Option D. Forging. During a tensile test, if the material is brittle, which phenomena is unlikely to occur? Option D. Necking. Young modulus is a measure of a material. Option D. Stiffness. Young modulus indicates the stiffness of the material. Higher the young modulus value means the material is stiffer and deform less elastically under a given load. Thank you.